Welcome to my bathroom studio. I was recording. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So, I have been requested to do this video. And a video that is being requested is my video on TikTok. It currently has 105,000 views. And it's just me doing a roller set. And here is the roller set box that I use. I need a new one. So with that being said, I use magnetic rollers so you all can see them. Got that size. This size, these two look similar to me, but maybe not. And then we have the large size. So in the video, you can see that I put on there when old school YouTube taught you how to save a coin. And so a lot of ladies, you know, was talking about their favorite YouTubers. And I don't know if you've seen my first video, and I'll put it here in the cards. But basically, I've been on YouTube for 14 years, but I never posted a video. So this channel is pretty old. And so basically, I took everything that I learned from, you know, ladies over the years, and I put it in that video. The style that I wanted to have was something that was Tracy Ellis inspired. So usually Tracy Ellis has fluffy hair, and I'll try to put a picture of that here. She has fluffy, beautiful hair, and it has like a little curl to it, and that's kind of how I like my hair. You will also see me using this Flatiron. So silk press, of course, we're going to do a high heat. For this, we're not looking for a bone straight. We're just going to do, I think it like something in the 3s, and I'll show you guys. And I'm sure this video will be a voiceover, but I just wanted to give you a rundown of what's going on. So I did go to the store for the video today. I did. And I'm going to go over the method that I use. And basically, we're going to discuss how I maintain my roller set. Some satin scrunchies, so I went with the slim ones. See how I like those. And then I picked this up. So I'm going to put this on before we're just going to protect our hair with these two. And my mother did grab me this, so I want to try this. I don't think I use this one. I think this is the best, they say. I think I used a lot of body when I did that style. So we're going to cleanse our hair with this first. Then we're going to shampoo with a moisturizing shampoo. Nourishing Repair Condition. We don't have to do this, but it's just me. And then we're going to deep condition. And sometimes I mix them together. Be down with it. Okay. Hey guys, sit back and relax. I'm going to talk you through the process. So first I did wash my hair. So we are going to start with wetting my hair first. I have done my face routine, lotion my whole body, and so my hair did get a little dry. So with this style, it is very important that you keep your hair detangled through the process. After your hair is detangled, you want to section your hair into 3 parts. So when sectioning your hair, you want to keep in mind the size of your roller. in the center area. You definitely don't want your hair to be coming off on the sides of the roller. With the roller set, you want a lot of tension near the scalp. So I did start in the back. You can see me applying the setting lotion, and it was just one pump. So when roller setting your hair, when you have natural hair or any kind of hair, you want to always make sure that you tuck your ends. And then as you come near the scalp, you want to create more tension, definitely when you have natural hair. You can see there's two sections in the middle, in the front, and that's where my alopecia is located. So I just separated that into two. Alright, here you will see that I am tucking the ends first and then rolling. You will also see me do another method where I roll the ends on there and then I put tension on my scalp. So you'll see that a little later. So you'll see right here, I did not get it as tight as I want to, so I took it off and I tightened it. So you definitely don't want it to drop like that. You're going to have a lot of wave at the root, even though we are going to flat iron the roots. So when doing this roller set, I like to make sure that my hair stays moist in some type of way, and then I apply my setting lotion. I have seen people do a dry roller set. I don't know how that will look on my hair. I might try that one day and do a video. So it's just water in my spray bottle. So here you see me doing the other technique that I spoke of. I'm taking the ends and wrapping them first and then putting tension on the scalp. You definitely want to check for any hair that you may have missed. You just take the closest roller to it out and put that little strand in there, and that's about it. Just fix it. Alright, we're done. So here's the dryer that I have. It was a gift to me, and it stands on its own. I don't have to put it on the table or anything. And I was just doing some work. So I sat on the dryer, I felt like I sat on it there for about 2.5 hours, maybe an hour and a half. I don't know, I was so busy getting some work done, so I was kind of enjoying it. It was late though. So I just take these out, they're just really falling out. So as I was drying, the rollers were coming out on its own anyway. I was so busy working, I was like, oh, I think I'm dry. So here you see that I am using some carrot oil. So I usually do this method to get the crunch out. This setting lotion didn't have that problem at all. It was pretty soft. So I definitely recommend that setting lotion. It's pretty good. So here you see me using my hands to take out the curls. I know some people, they take their time and take out their curls. I don't do that. I don't have time for that. So, and we're just gonna do an overnight method anyway. Alright, so when doing this, you don't want to go all the way down to the ends yet. You're just mainly just combing out the top. So we're going to flat iron just the roots. And that's it. I know people don't like the ugly little bump that comes with magnetic rollers. So you can use this method in order to get it out. And you can't even tell. So here is how I maintain any curls that I have when having a silk press or having a roller set in my hair. So I take a ponytail holder, I take some flexi rods, and then I just roll. The higher ponytail, the better volume you will have in your hair, I've noticed. You don't want like a low ponytail with curl. That's not going to look too good. So you definitely want to bring it up to the top. I usually only use 3, to be honest with you. I guess I just want to be fancy for the video. Yep, this is a quick way you can keep your hair done and go to bed. So I am using 2 hair wraps. I sleep pretty well. So sometimes they're on my hair and sometimes they're right beside me when I wake up. So we will see if this stays on or not. I did my best to sleep very pretty. Alright, so we're just going to take out the flexi rods. By the way, I am loving the way my hair feels. No, it does not feel like a silk press, but I can tell I have product on it, but I don't know, it feels healthy. It doesn't feel dry, it feels moisturized, I'll say that. Alright, we're just going to let curls kind of fall down naturally and see where they want to go first. And then I will adjust. When I have a silk press in my hair, I can usually just give it a little shake and we're out the door. But with this roller set, with the product in it, we kind of got to shape it a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So I want to take a chance to explain this product here. So here, if you have any spots in your hair, this is definitely good for that, such as I do as alopecia. And so the product is sold separately from the pump. So it is sold at Ulta, I know, and it does come in different colors. So if your hair isn't black, you can purchase it in another color. And I did link that product below for you all. Alright, so we are finished. So she is definitely coming on vacation with me. I am loving my hair. I'm getting a lot of compliments from it. So yeah, this summer I can definitely see her with a sundress, with some bigger earrings. Yeah. That is my vibe. So you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.